Ever grappled with making learning more effective for your workforce? Well, whether it comes to making your mark in the classroom, in the office, or on the go, we will be with you every step of the way. Be it bringing boring documents to life, or immersing your learners into a world of fantasy. Our learning solutions can bring out the best in your content for your learners. Courses that are interactive, making your learners apply what they learn. Courses that inspire critical reflection, inspiring higher order of learning. If the learner persona is more inclined towards gaming, we adapt your content to learning games. If the message needs to be strong enough to create a lasting impression, we tell a compelling story, which could branch out according to the learner's choice. Keeping learning outcomes at the core, our solutions focus on the concepts, processes, and application. The stories we weave are crisp, targeted, interactive, and drive home a point. If you're wondering how we make boring content engaging, well, we get to the heart of the matter, and then we apply strong instructional design principles to arrive at an approach that works best for your target audience. So, using a combination of techniques like videos, animations, the whiteboard, and apt real-life scenarios, we draw your learners into the content and motivate them to be active participants in the learning process. Where necessary, we leverage advances in technology to give a real-life experience to learners, creating a virtual world for them to explore and learn in. Our offerings in the augmented reality space help learners visualize better, resulting in higher learning retention. If you lean more towards classroom training, we can create engaging and interactive instructor-led training material that have high learning value for greater learning outcomes. We can help you engage your participants like never before. Interested in knowing about how we can address your learning requirements? Visit us at www.aimsdigital.com or drop us a mail. We'd love to hear from you.